Happy New Year, everyone, from Falmouth, Jamaica. And as the Jamaican things, everything's gonna be irie. Everything's gonna be all right. We're just wandering around the little port area here. We got Disney on one side, then we have a celebrity one, and that goes all the way down to the water, which sounds a little iffy. I think it just skims above the water, but pretty crazy. But I bought a pirate map of Jamaica because if you did not know, I'm a pirate at heart, and you know, it's a short one, but a merry one. And I'm just wandering around right now trying to find a bracelet. So I'm just gonna walk around. Beautiful weather, rained a little bit. But yeah, I'm just doing a solo adventure today. The family's all back on board. So yeah, let's just check out the island, or at least this part of the island. Last year we did zip lining, and if you recall that at all, it was just kind of an hour-long bumpy ride on roads that have a lot of potholes in them. And then it was a bug just flew on my head. Oh, see that bug? It's trying to kill me. We can bleep that out for the kids. We're just hanging out here, no excursion today. Just walk around and go back, take a nap, run around, and see what kind of trouble we can get into. So yeah, hope you're having an awesome day yourself. And you know, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you've ever done a Disney cruise, or if you've ever been to Jamaica, what's your favorite excursion or favorite thing to do? Is it getting some Jamaican rum, you know, buying some souvenirs, hanging out on the ship, or just taking in the scenery? Or if you've ever been to Mystic Mountain, let me know, because I did that several years ago on my first ever Disney cruise, and it was awesome. Other than you applied your own handbrake, which is not up to American safety standards, but who cares? So yeah, let's wander around. So I bought two bracelets. I bought this one that has like a little pearl on there, which makes me, you know, feel like a pirate. And then also I got like a little tray that I can put, you know, bracelets, jewelry on. It had like a little beach design. I'll show it to you in a sec. And then also another bracelet that was all kinds of different colors. And I was just feeling the vibe. And my perspective, the Gared perspective, is always, you know, treat people nicely, smile, be friendly. And you know, they'll treat you well, you treat them well, and that's all that matters. Happy to support, you know, the local places. Like I went into like the little stands rather than these shops, because these shops, you know, they have that mass-produced kind of stuff that can be hit or miss. So I supported like the little local shop, and they're so friendly. The Jamaican people are very nice, very friendly, and like if you stay in this area, you have nothing to worry about. If you are worried about like anything happening, yeah, this area here, they don't want businesses to stop coming in, so they're going to make sure this place is nice and tidy. It's really clean, really nice. You don't see trash on the ground. Everyone's smiling, friendly. Granted, they want your business, but hey, like that, that's what tourism is, everything like that. So back on the ship I go. I'm going to get like a coffee or something, and yeah, been good hanging out in Falmouth, but we'll see what happens tonight. So I just got back into the room, and I was like, hey, no one's around. The room's now clean, so let me give you a quick room tour of everything. And also, it's pirate night. They put the bandanas on the bed, so let's take a look. So welcome to outside veranda room. First, you've got the bathroom. And here, nice and tidy. And of course, like, just imagine all this blank like you were when you first get on, but nice and clean and tidy. Got the sink, got the toilet. It does flush. Hey, yo. What's up? And then you got all your stuff for all your different toiletries and all that stuff. I got my stuff on the top because I'm a little tall, but that's really nice. And then turn off, but at night, have a night light so that way you don't wake everyone up when you gotta go potty. Assembly station, you've got your closet with your life preserver. You do not need to wear that the entire time. Got a little safe. I would show you more about it once you see my clothes, all my underwear and stuff. But then you got another closet and all that stuff, high and low. And then that's for the bunk beds, but we don't pull that down. The new ships have this massive storage area right here that you can see. You know, put all your stuff down, put it up, whatever. You got speakers to listen to. And then you have the shower in here, lights off, but then you boop. And so I'm about 6'2". I've got about 3 or 4 inches to go. So the shower, a little bit different because you're a little higher up. You got the nice tile on there. You can turn into a little bathtub. Comes with, you know, the sea marine conditioner and such. Hang stuff. Yeah, you got all your room. You got your towels on, off. Here is the bed. It says treasure on here. And see, these bandanas mean it's Pirate Night. They want everyone to blend in. I've got a whole costume, but if you don't have a costume, that's okay. So each room, each stateroom, has sort of a different theme depending on what floor you're on. So ours, being on deck 9, we have up. Paradise Falls right there. You can see the house from up. And then you've got that beautiful little, you know, flourish around the side. And then, who is that? Kevin, what are you doing there? Kevin, probably swallowed a tennis ball or something like that. Silly Kevin. But yeah, you can turn these lights on the side over there. Like if I hit artwork. Heyo, Paradise Falls. Very nice, beautiful. And then here's some other elements of here. They've got a little poster. If I hit the ceiling. Heyo. Got a full-size mirror. Got a TV right there. TV used to be like right here on like a little alcove. Now it's on its wall, completely back against it, which is really nice, especially with TV technology getting better and better. Smile. You got, you know, a little drawer here where you got postcards and letters and hair ties. No, I'm just kidding. That doesn't come with a room. But yeah, here you can see the map of Paradise Falls. Let's take a look. We got the Carl and Ellie, you know, post letterbox, mailbox, that's it. Got the grape soda badge, coveted, the Ellie badge. Then you got, oh, Carl's little walker. Oh, and I only see 3 tennis balls on there. I don't know if there was always 3, or did Kevin get one? Silly Kevin. And then, oh, you've got the weather vane and the chocolate, because Kevin loves chocolate. Okay, the final bit for the room is, you know, all these drawers and dressers for all your stuff, and like Madeline, Jasmine, quick glance at all their stuff. They have all their makeup and stuff in there, but then this is the fridge, and yes, you can bring stuff on board. They do not sell Celsius in the Caribbean at all. I've looked everywhere. I've looked online. I've called even to find out, and they're like, nope, they got Red Bull, they got Monster, they don't have Celsius. So I bought a 20-pack of them suckers and put them in the fridge so that way I never run out of them. And then you gotta have your sparkling Evian. Very good. Got fresh water because I'm not about to drink that Dasani garbage. And you can put it with other stuff. Little cokes. And then if you do have a large party, well, you've got a few options for a bed. You can either turn the couch into a bed, pull down this, and you know, have a bunk bed, or this turns the bed too. And what's new on this ship that it was not on the Wish, this, as you can see, is where you can actually hide clothes and all that. But I do not recommend sleeping in this bed. Going up there. Hi, darling. I'm just giving a room tour. Hi. And then here's the veranda. You step outside here, and you literally jump into the ocean. Don't do that. But yeah, you got your chair for 2 right here. Little table. That's that really strong wood that sounds metallic, called metal. And then this is our view. We're off the starboard bow. Yeah, starboard. So starboard on a ship is right, and port is left. You can't remember that. Port has 4 letters, like the word left, and starboard has a bunch more. So yeah, if you can remember what side port is, then you're good. But then this is the bay that we're in right now. You got the really nice houses, and yeah, that's the veranda. And then you look back into the room, and it becomes your home for a few days. But yeah, look at all that detail. One other fun little thing is, ta-da! They have this little cute little artwork, and it says a baby jungle bird or a baby Kevin, because Kevin is a mom. But yeah, this is the up room. I know up on decks 12 and 13, which are the concierge floors. Theirs is a Lion King themed. There's also a Nemo theme. There's also, I believe, an Aladdin one. Every room tells a story, and definitely Disney has definitely gotten the more relaxed and muted, like not quite as loud when it comes to theming rooms. It's got these little show elements here, so that way like they have the white sheets, so that way it's just easier to wash and everything like that. Sort of that minimalism, but going with this kind of like teak wood color, which is really, really pretty. Ahoy there, mateys. It's Pirate Night here on the Disney Resort. We're having a great time. The rum's already gone. You know, nothing but the most saltiest sea dogs you ever see on the whole 7 seas. And would you look at this makeup? It's all done by my beautiful wife. Look at that. Like, Pirates Rockin' Parlay Party. Drinks all around, eh? As the party's getting ready to start in just a little bit, we are here on the starboard side like we were for New Year's Eve. Here we just get a good view of the show on the stage there, and then we turn around, boom. And that's where the fireworks go off. The fireworks always shoot off the starboard side of the ship, and the ship will actually turn as the show's going on, so that way the fireworks are always going off into the wind. Because we don't want fireworks going off. Not us, that's not. Pirates do not need burns on this ship. Yeah. So, yeah, it's just a good time, and if you have a costume, wear it. Disney cruises are where you can really be who you want to be, whether you want to be a pirate, a princess, a Jedi, anything is allowed. Yeah, if you've ever done a Disney cruise and you've done Pirate Night, what's your favorite part of it? Is it the fireworks? Is it the music in the hallways? Is it like just how seeing everyone all themed? I want to know what your thoughts are. But yeah, Pirate Night definitely makes Disney something special, and like, who could not want to be a part of this party?
It's time to put your hands and hooks together for the most rockin' pirates around!
da da, ba 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 da da da.
Find the rum!
Hi, the rum!
Pirates, I said you have sparkling treasure, and sparkling treasure you have. Loxley, keep on rocking!
Aye, aye, Captain.
Well, boys and girls, it's the end of the pirate show. It's now time to get close, take all this off, get down, buck naked. Savvy? This is a kid's show, so we'll blur out the lines. Just kidding. But human hair from my back. Just got back to the room. Had a fun pirate party. It's pirate night, and now I'm gonna get all comfy. But hope that you had fun, and you know. Ta. See you later. It's been a pleasure. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, yeah? And remember, always the day you almost captured Captain Jack Sparrow.